Hey guys, Joseph here, welcome back to the channel, and I am so excited to finally get my hands on this projector. Now this is the Samsung Premier LSP9T. This is a 4K ultra short throw laser projector with 2800 ANSI Lumens, HDR10 Plus support, Samsung's acoustic beam sound technology with 40 watts of power, built-in smart OS with hundreds of applications available. There's also game mode for consoles, but most importantly, you can enjoy a beautiful picture from 100 inches up to 130 inches. So welcome to the channel guys, I'm going to share my experience with the Samsung Premier projector and if this is worth your money. So be sure to drop a like if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to the channel if you enjoy this kind of content. I'm Jolster and let's do this! Alright guys, so let me give you a tour of the projector. Now first of all, it has a glossy white finish on top. Now personally, I'm not a big fan of that because of the reflections from the picture. It's not a big deal, but I would prefer a matte finish or a dark color. Now it is a medium size. It measures 21.5 inches by 5.5 inches tall by around 14 inches. Now here in the front is where the acoustic bars are sitting. It is a 4.2 channel system that delivers 40 watts of power. Now the sound is good for a small room, but you also have the option to connect your sound system via ARC. Now in the back you'll find the power button, optical port for audio, one USB, 3 HDMI ports with eARC support, LAN port for internet, and antenna or cable port. Now setting up the projector takes some time. Luckily, there are plenty of instructions and guidelines to help you get the best picture possible. There is also keystone adjustment, which makes things easier, and focus adjustment for a clear and sharp image. Now I noticed some people ask if they can ceiling mount the projector, and yes you can. I don't see the reason why you will do that. I mean, the whole point of buying an ultra short throw projector is so you can have it close to your wall, so it doesn't take that much space, and also to avoid running any wires through your wall or ceiling, but oh well, to each their own. Also, some people wonder if they can use their wall instead of a screen, and yes you can. Just make sure that it's a flat white wall and that you have a dark room. Now, if there are windows or if you're planning on having some ambient lights, you will lose picture quality drastically. Now, having the proper screen will increase picture brightness and colors, but I personally recommend an ALR screen for the best performance. Now, even under ambient light, the picture remains vibrant and colorful. Now this projector has an excellent picture quality at any angle. It covers 106% of BT 2020 and 147% of DCI-P3 color space, which means that HDR content looks great, bright scenes look brighter and rich colors, and also great contrast. For movies, I recommend movie mode. The colors look more natural and balanced. There's also picture clarity or motion interpolation to optimize fast-moving image. Now I personally like having a smooth picture when watching movies, but if you don't like that, you can always go for filmmaker mode. The menu and settings are very similar to a Samsung TV. It has the same Tizen OS, which is easy to use and it truly feels that I'm using a Samsung TV. Now all the apps available work properly and support 4K HDR, so you can enjoy Netflix or Prime Video at their highest quality possible. There's also Dolby Atmos available, so I connected my Nakamichi soundbar system and enjoy movies with Atmos. Now another cool feature is game mode. I connected my Xbox Series X and you can play at 4K 60 or 1440p 60. There is no 4K 120Hz since it's limited to HDMI 2.0. Now HDR gaming looks good, but even with game mode on, I wouldn't play first-person shooters. I can still feel the input lag is high and the gameplay feels sluggish. I'm not gonna lie, it's fun playing on a big screen and the picture looks amazing. This is great for casual gamers that want to enjoy great graphics and HDR at your own pace. The controller is very similar to Samsung TVs and soundbars. It is simple, easy to use, it only has the necessary buttons, it feels good in the hand and is very responsive. It also has voice commands. So overall, this projector delivers an amazing picture with great colors and contrast. But is it worth $5,500? Alright, so since I recently reviewed another Tricolor Laser Projector, I thought it would be a good idea to compare them. So here I have the JM-Go U2 and the Samsung Premier. Now honestly, both look very similar, rich colors and very sharp picture. Now, all the colors look more saturated on the JM-Go and also black levels look deeper. Samsung shows more details and picture looks more natural and balanced. Now I'm pretty sure that I can make some adjustments to make them look similar, but overall, both look very impressive. The biggest difference here is the price. While Samsung Premier sells for $5,500, the JM-Go U2 starts at $2,100. That is more than twice the price you have to pay for Samsung's projector. There are some advantages and disadvantages each projector offer, but I will leave that for another video. Now with that being said, there is one feature this projector is missing, and that is 3D support. I really enjoy 3D movies at home on a big screen, so hopefully they add 3D on their next model. Alright, so you made it to the end of the video and I truly appreciate your support. So I have a question for you. If the price is the same, what would you choose? An 80-inch TV or a 100-inch projector setup? Let me know in the comments below what is your choice and maybe why. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I'm Joester and I'll see you guys on the next one. Joester out.